Hey, welcome to Rust Revival Garage. My name is Tim. I'm deep in the middle of rewiring the inside of the 68 Le Mans, but I wanted to make a real quick video. I'm part of a couple of different groups that for Blueprint engines, and in those groups, people are always asking questions. What does the Blueprint 350 sound like? And so what I figured I'd do is make a real quick video to show you as good as I can with good quality audio what the Blueprint 350 sounds like. So let's get to it. So my Blueprint 350 is in my 1985 C10 pickup. It is I think it is the 390 horsepower engine, and I'll put some details up in here. It's about, I want to say about 3 years old, and so it may not be what you'd be ordering today, but it's the stock Blueprint 350, and it came with all of the accessories package, and it's attached to a Gearstar 700R4. What I've got set up with this truck are these headers. Nothing special about the headers. I got them on eBay for like 150 bucks. They fit great. The only thing is you cannot change this spark plug without taking the headers off. But it does have headers, and it is a custom exhaust. Let me show you that. As you can see, the headers come down here. It's a 2.5 inch pipe setup, and it does have the little sort of custom X in the exhaust. 2.5 inch all the way back. So the mufflers are from Jegs, and I'll put some details on those as well. And then the only other thing that might also affect the sound is I've got these exhaust tips on here. Not sure what all they would do, but it might affect the sound somewhat. Okay, so I drove it around a little bit and got it warmed up. Didn't want to rev it if it's not warmed up, but got a really good audio setup for you. What I'm using for you is an HD camera, and it's just got a regular boom mic. Nothing fancy about it. I think it's like Mazda or something like that. But I'm not going to adjust the audio at all. I'm just going to record it. That way you're hearing the best possible sound you can. And, you know, like I said, I'm not going to fix anything in editing and make it sound any different. So this is better than what this GoPro sounds like, because it's going to be a lot more true to life. And as you can see, I don't have it like right up against the truck. I've got it a good distance away, so that you should get a good idea of how it sounds. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up now. This is what it sounds like going down the road. Yeah. Got a nice low rumble. It sounds really good when you're getting close to wide open throttle. Damn good. Okay, so really quick video. That's what the Blueprint 350 sounds like. Hopefully this has helped some of you. If you're considering making a purchase, you can get an idea of kind of how it sounds. Now your results are going to vary if you don't do headers, or if you do headers and you don't do these mufflers, you know, that kind of thing, or if you do a smaller size, bigger size, whatever, it's going to vary. But I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what it can sound like with headers, with 2.5 inch exhaust, with some, I think it's their low rumble Jegs mufflers. They're nothing special, like $30 or $40 a piece. So yeah, that's the sound that you can make with your Blueprint. And it doesn't have a big giant cam in it. It's like 300 and, or I think it was 400 horsepower, 430 or something like foot-pounds of torque. So yeah, that's what it sounds like. Like if you got anything out of it. Let me know if you got any questions down in the comments. Subscribe. I'm doing a lot with this engine and with my Pontiac, with my Jeep, with a bunch of other cars. So yeah, I'd love it if you could subscribe. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we will catch you next time.